Alright guys, so if you're trying to build an email list, you should know how very important a lead magnet is, and that's why I'm making this video. Today's video is where I'm going to be showing you how to use Claude AI, alright, in generating a top quality ebook completely for free that you can use in attracting and building your own email list. Now you can see the result we actually got using Claude AI. The prompt and everything you need to do to get this up and running is what I'm going to show you. And if you stay to the very end, I'm also going to be showing you how you can convert this plain text. This is quality. Imagine getting over 42 pages of this. Now converting all of this into something looking much more professional like this. That is what I'm going to be teaching you into this video, so you can use this exact method, create a new ebook, and you can start giving this out, and in return this would help you grow out your email list. So let's get started. So first things first, you want to open Claude AI, and like I said much earlier, this is completely free. You don't have to purchase a premium plan on Claude before you can get this done. So right here you can see I have the Claude opened up already. Then this prompt, I'm going to be leaving it down below for easy access. Right, you're going to copy all of these things you have right here in this prompt. I'm going to be teaching you how to edit this just to fit your own preference. So for the purpose of this video, this is a very long prompt that I have right in here. Now I'm going to come right to Claude AI, and I'm going to paste in my prompt. Now you can see I have my prompt already inside. Now let me walk you through the prompt so you can see how you can get to edit this yourself. It's not difficult at all. So read with me. It says you're an award-winning business consultant, a franchise and advisor, and a small business strategist with over 20 years of experience helping entrepreneurs launch profitable service businesses in the United States. Now you can see I went for that and saying I want you to write a complete, highly detailed, professional and actionable guide titled How to Start a Profitable Laundry Business in the US. The complete step-by-step guide for beginners. Now this is where you have to tweak it. Okay, so you need to just change the things you need to change. You might not necessarily be working on the same ebook I'm trying to create. It can be something different. It can be in the fitness niche, it can be in the consultation niche, it can also be in the family niche. It all depends on the kind of lead magnet you're trying to get for your targeted audiences. All right, so for me, I already have that into Claude. Now I'm just going to click on enter. So once I do click on enter, so Claude is going to take its time to start helping me create my document. So many times we don't need to always do things from the scratch. Automating things with AI would help you do much faster and even much more easier. So we're going to wait for Claude AI to help us with our document. And once we get our document, and we are going to be making use of the final AI touch tool that's going to help us design and make this feel good looking. So alright guys, like you can see, Claude is basically done right now, and you can see what our document looks like. Now this is a complete ebook, over 42 pages. I mean, quality is right in here. So you don't want to just go around just using anyhow prompt on Claude. Use the prompt exactly I gave to you and edit everything just to fit what you want, and you're going to be having a real ebook. Now you can see we have lots and lot of pages with quite a number of examples, formats, some quick tips, questions, and you can see we can go all down to page 42, and all of this just because of the prompt I actually used on Claude AI. So make sure to check out Claude AI to get the prompt that I want to give to you. Now that we have this document, you can see it's not still looking very presentable, although this is quality. If you go through it, you're going to be finding real life examples, real cases, and so many templates that your audience can be using, right? But it's still not just good looking because we have just only text alone. Now I want to change this into something looking much more, that has more visuals, you know what I'm talking about, that has more colors, that gives a premium feel. Now what do I have to do? It's simple. All I need to do right now is, you can see where we have the document on Claude, we have it as a PDF and we have it as a document file. I'm just going to download any one of these two. All right, now once I have it already downloaded, I'm going to come right into Canva. Now Canva is the next AI tool, the premium touching AI tool that's going to help us turn our run a plain ebook into a good looking professional book. Now let me show you what to do. You're going to come right back here. Down in the video description, I've got a prompt also for Canva. I'm going to copy this prompt right away, and I'm going to come back right into my Canva tool. I'm going to paste the prompt. You can see I have the prompt already imputed. Then I'm just going to click on this plus icon to attach, all right, the document we downloaded from Claude Ai, right? So from here, I'm just going to click on upload, and it's going to open up my computer file folder. Then I'm just going to search for it. You can see I have it right here. Then I'm going to click on open. Now you can see we have the document already imported into Canva AI. Then I'm just going to click on submit. So once I do click on submit, Canva is going to transform what we have to be looking just like this, or just like this, into something much more different and so professional. So let's wait for Canva to do its job. And once Canva is done, I'm going to come back right here and show you guys what the result looks like. All right, guys, you can see what Canva has done for us. All right, just imagine turning a plain text from Claude AI into this good looking professional ebook. You can see how everything is well arranged. You're going to be finding that Canva has highlighted, done a lot of professional feel attachment to our ebook, and you can see that everything still looks intact, right? But everything looks much more better, and this is actually going to be much more presentable, because it feels like a real human did this, and a real human took his or her time, all right, in getting all of this well presented. So you can see the text, the fonts, the feel. It gives a premium feel, right? It gives a feeling that, okay, I think I can take my time to read this if you are the person who's going to be reading it, right? So Canva AI has done all of this. Now our work has just, and right now you can see that our work has been done. So you just need to go ahead and clicking on the share button. But right before you click on the share button, if there's something you basically want to edit, you can do that by telling Canva AI what you really want to edit. So if you wanted to change the colors, if you wanted to add a professional logo, maybe something, maybe attribution, you can just go ahead and letting it know, and it's going to deliver on that. So once you're done, and you know you have a good looking ebook that you can lay your hands on and start using, you can just come right here to the share button, and you want to click on the download. Okay, once you do click on download right now, you can see it's on the PDF standard. All right, now what you need to do from here is to go ahead and clicking on what download. So once you do click on download, Canva is going to help you get your ebook downloaded into your computer file. So once you have your ebook already downloaded, you can start using this as a lead magnet in attracting potential client or potential email subscribers. And that is how easy it is for you to use Claude AI and start generating ebooks that can help you build your email list. So if you found this video helpful and you want to get started right away, try out this method and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're a small business owner who is trying to build and grow a profitable email list. I tend to create more content relating to this, and I'll see you in my next video. Please take care of yourself, and bye.